video to show the Peavey F-800B working. So I have had a couple of people interested in it without listing it to eBay, so I will be dealing with that. And if you're actually interested and would like to buy it without going through eBay, please let me know, so that I don't have to fork out ridiculous amount of fees to both PayPal and eBay. So I took the bass amp head over to a friend's house who's a bass player, and here we go.
These are new batteries in the bass. Those are new batteries. Can you hand me that acoustic guitar actually? Because I have experienced that with this bass before. Let's just see if it gets a signal of anything.
Hard with that backlight.
Yeah, I'll get in a different spot as well. Well, it works.
Yeah, that's a good thing. That's all I needed to know. But
it's just some dirty pots. There's probably some dust in them. Maybe try going over that again, if you, or maybe just this one. Maybe it's.
Yeah, I didn't clean those out.
Try the bass again?
Yeah, I was using that bass for a couple hours through an amp the other day, so the bass is fine. Why would it take the guitar though and not the bass? There we go. Okay, that first slot is acting up.
Okay, so it needs to be cleaned or
yeah, something with that first input. The second one seems good or better.
You know, like I said, all I did was go through and clean it. I don't.
Got some nice power to it. What is that?
It's just changing the, I think how wide
Oh,
the
yeah,
EQ is being affected. I'm pretty sure that's what they mean by slow. Yeah, we got some, the only thing about it works.
Touchy inside.
It's just the trim pots. Something's going on. Yeah, I think the only thing is just like dirty
pots, yeah.
dirty pots. Like that's
Pretty much it right now.
yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Really good.
Fat
It's got some
tone,
punch to it.
punch. Probably just cleaning those pots. And then something about this slot is
Just needs to be removed and cleaned, possibly.
Yeah, probably.
Might be something loose
Yeah,
inside.
maybe
or-
something.
That's an easy, even if you had to replace, that's an easy fix, right?
Yeah.
Just put a whole new jack in.
it's nothing like detrimental.
Yeah.
And I could see people buying it like this.
Oh, yeah.
I could see people
Yeah.
buying it like this. Like
Thing's
just
got a great sound to it.
yeah, great tone. And these are really dead strings on this bass, and this still sounds
sounds
really
good.
good. Yeah, like there's a little bit of touchiness there.
Those problems are fully expected on something.
Yeah, that old, yeah.
Yeah, I like that overdrive too. Yeah, it's awesome, man.
Awesome.
Cool.
Thanks for testing it.
Yeah, I can see why they call it the festival series.
Yeah.
It's got some power to it.
All right. So that was my friend Daniel Cunningham, and he does play bass, he plays guitar, and I believe he also plays piano. So pretty good musician. He's actually been, him and his brother had a band for a little while. I can't think of the name of the band. I'll have to get that from him, and I'll share, I think, if they have a link for YouTube or not. I'm not sure, but they did win the Battle of the Bands in the Bay Area a few years ago. So I think that's what I was told, so I'll have to check on that too and verify it. If you would like to follow Daniel, I will have his Instagram account listed below, and you could follow him because he shares sometimes some of the stuff he's working on. But other than that, man, I appreciate him being able to hook me up with Plan, and being at his father's house as well, being able to hook it up to some speakers to be able to play through it and be able to show it working. As you can see and heard from him, there might be some other things that need to be able to, somebody needs to detail out and be able to make sure that this thing is just basically top notch. And I don't know much about this stuff, but just the visuals I've seen on other ones for sale, this thing is probably an 8.5 out of 10, close to perfection. So whoever owned this in the past kept really good care of it. So hopefully whoever buys it will put it to some use, because it does need to be used, because I look at this stuff as being like an old collectible car. It shouldn't be stored in a garage and just displayed. It should actually be used. So cars should be driven, electronics equipment should be used, and serve its purpose. So anyway, I appreciate everybody watching the video, and like I said, if you are interested, just go ahead and contact me below. I will also have not only my Facebook page for the account for Speed Trap Collectibles is what I use, but I can also put on my email down below and get that in there so that you can contact me through that. And if it's sold, I will have all of that taken out. So I appreciate everybody watching the video. I don't know if anybody has seen the other two videos. I showed pictures of one of it, and then I also showed some video that I had of it, of the cleaning before and after. So if you feel like looking at that to see how this thing looked before and after from when I got it, have a look. Thanks for watching.